What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today because, as you all know, Shiba Inu is going really crazy right now. Crazy parabolic. Everything's going crazy with Shiba right now. We're at new all-time highs again. So, yeah, hit the like button, subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And let's get straight to this Shiba Inu video. So as you can see right here, Shiba Inu is going crazy. The 24-hour market control is being controlled by the bulls by 100%. This is huge right now. We're at the 47 area, 0.00047. And by the end of this video, I'll explain why Shiba Inu is predicted to go to 0.00007 very soon. So first things first, as you can see over here inside of this uptrend here is showing right here on the oscillator that it was a little bit overbought and then it was hit by a little bit of an oversold area, even though it was not too much oversold, but it was overbought. So I had to come back and sell off a little bit. So there was a little bit of retracement. But now, as you can see, we're going back up here on the price. If you look at the line view, you can see right now where it's at right now. And we're over here towards this 4.7 area. So let's go back over here to the candles. And right here, this little red bar here is starting to form up. And like I always say in my videos, when you see the red bars here on the trading indicators for Vital Algo, it means that we're pretty much not having as much demand as we have before. And it's our supply and demand areas. And then the green area is showing that we have a lot more demand for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is trading between these two supply demand areas. So once we trend back down here to this area, we're probably going to trend back down and do some little bit of consolidation movements. So once we actually do that, that's when Shib is going to be able to go on its next leg up and actually start to rise on another uptrend here. So we're doing really big numbers here inside Shiba Inu. Every time we hit these green supply and demand areas, we always go up, and then we are combated by a red supply and demand area, trading between these areas for at least a day, and then we usually end up breaking out. It happened back here, traded between the areas for a day, broke out, happened here, traded between the areas for a day, broke out, and now we're about to trade between this area for another day before we break out. Now, it could possibly come back on another retracement period, bringing us back to the 4.0 area before we build more momentum, but the bulls are in control by 100%, showing that we may not actually do it like that. So this is actually really big for Shiba Inu. Like, Shiba Inu is really pumping huge right now, like really big time pump right now. I want to show some other stuff here with FX Sheet, so let's go over this. Now, Shiba Inu price uptrend far from over. Shib targets 0.00007. So that's pretty big right there. Shiba Inu price takes a breather as RSI points to overbought area, so the relative strength index. So Shib price saw additional tailwinds with spillover effects from NASDAQ, Tesla, and Bitcoin. So drawing Fibonacci retracement levels where price could go next in this uptrend. So Shiba Inu price has been on a tear since Friday, generating 61% for investors. So as you can see here, with their Fibonacci retracement levels, with their Shib and its all-time low reversals, it's still 83% more gains in uptrend, potentially targeting 0.0007364. And that's what they're seeing here with Shib. So as you can see, the bulls are providing the opportunity for this. The bulls are buying in huge. Like I said yesterday, there are whales manipulating Shib's prices, and that's 100% a fact. I mean, look at this $8.9 billion in volume in one day. Like in 24 hours, Shiba Inu has had 8.9 billion in volume. Bitcoin only at 31 billion. We're almost at Bitcoin's price, and we're less than half, less than 75% of Bitcoin's value, less than 90% of Bitcoin's value. We're like 95 or 99% of Bitcoin's value. That's like what we're looking at here, right here. And then also, if you look at it, like, we're almost more than Ethereum in their 24-hour trading volume, and they have way more market cap than us. And this could potentially mean Shiba Inu could be worth easily 400 billion, 400, like, think about what I'm saying here, $400 billion market cap. Shiba Inu could easily do something like that if more whales and more investors come in. Like 8.9 billion the last 24 hours. At 400 billion, no, Shiba would be at like 1 cent. And that's why a lot of people are saying like Shiba Inu to 1 cent is coming very soon. It's coming sooner rather than later. Like, you just got to look at the market caps and then look at the 24-hour trading volume. Like, when you look at the market cap and 24-hour trading volume, multiply the market cap by like 10 to combat this 24-hour trading volume. Like, if this 24-hour trading volume keeps going on, and then this market cap continues to increase with it, then you can definitely see Shiba Inu hit 1 cent very soon. Shiba Inu up 2.6% in the last hour, 19.6% inside of the last 24 hours, and then 63.6% in the last 7 days. So we're doing pretty good here with Shiba Inu. Now let's keep going over this. So Shiba Inu price bound for another 83% of gains. So yeah, traders who bought Shiba Inu price at the 2775 area will have seen their positions return around 61% of profits as Shiba Inu price takes a pit stop at around 0.00004465. So new buyers and buyers who want to re-enter the trade have the option to enter at the 40 area. Sheep price already broke through this level twice before, but today it is respecting it as support. So that was our previous resistance. Now the 40 area is our support. So this is pretty big, and the bulls are defending us and will keep our uptrend alive. So for sheep price, monthly pivots do not seem to have played a part in the uptrend. So Fibonacci retracements are another story, however, with the 50% Fibonacci level falling in line with the 399 area in both 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci retracement levels and crucial history levels from May. So considering this, the next profit level is likely to be the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, which will be around 47.61 and ultimately 7364, which means that entering today could offer 83% gains in the future. Dang, that's really big right there. That's really big. Like 83% gains from where we are right now. That's huge. We're at 47.36, and they're already predicting that we're going to have another uptrend and more gains here with Shiba Inu. So this is what they're looking at here. I mean, this is really big right here. This is huge. We're about to go from here, 47.61, all the way up here to 73.64. So this is about to be a huge uptrend here in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is about to do parabolic, crazy numbers over here. So as mentioned before, Shiba Inu price could start to retrace as the current rally depends on many external tailwinds. So should one or all of these start to fade, expect a quick nosedive to the 31.53 area as first real support. In the case the global markets completely shift to risk off, expect cryptocurrencies to go down and eventually Shib going down to 20008. So pretty much they're saying, like, look, if our economy shuts down again, if we start having lockdowns, if we start having all of this stuff, all this FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside of our economy, then we're gonna see everything go down, and inevitably Shiba Inu will go down with it, along with all the other cryptos, which is definitely true. But right now, everything's going very well. Right now, the economy is doing very well. So I don't think that's going to really happen like that, but we'll see. Now over here, Shiba Inu enters 96% bull run as whales continue accumulating Shib. So big stuff has been going on with Shib. Ethereum whale bought 11.5 million worth of Shib tokens on Thursday, which really isn't that much of a big deal when you see all the money that's in Shib. I mean, Shib is at 8.9 billion in the last 24-hour trading volume, 23.2 billion total market cap. So 11 million really isn't that much when you look at it from a larger scale. So anyways, Shib was briefly the cryptocurrency with the largest turnover on exchanges in Binance and Coinbase. So Shiba Inu token has reached 783,000 holders. Large wallet investors accumulate Shib tokens to do the dip. So they're seeing, huge opportunities here with Shiba Inu. Analysts predict Shiba Inu rally in Shib price as whales continue accumulating Shib. So whales are accumulating Shib at large amounts here. This is the wallet that they're talking about with Shiba Inu that bought 11.5 million, which really isn't that much money. Like, we're seeing Dogecoin whales buying 100 million at a time. But, it's still a good amount of money. Shout out to them for doing that. So anyways, the token has crossed 783,000 people holding it, and according to crypto data aggregator CoinMarketCap, the daily trade volume of Shib was able to surpass Ethereum, emerging as the third most traded cryptocurrency momentarily. So that was just momentarily, but yeah, we're still doing pretty good here. So analysts still have a bullish outlook on Shib price, predicting a 96% rally. And this rally is going to probably set us around 0001. So yeah, we're really about to do some big stuff here in Shib. 1 cent is coming very soon here. I mean, there's no doubt about it at this point. Like, anyone doubting Shib at this point is just doubting life in general. And they're probably not too happy about their life. That's why they're downing Shib, because they're just looking at it like, oh man, I was too late to get in on the rally. And that's probably why they're like kicking themselves right now. But anyways, this is just what Shib is going to do. At least 001 for Shib is doable. And that's what analysts are saying. And they said at least. They didn't say at most. They said at least 001 is doable. That means 1 cent is more than doable. So this is what actual analysis are coming through here and talking about. This is coming from the income chart analysis. So they have 175K followers here on Twitter. They're doing pretty good here on Twitter. So there's a lot of good stuff coming out with Shib, and Shib is about to really take off like crazy parabolic. And I don't know, anything can happen at any point. So, anyways, in the meantime, U.S. Senate candidate Shannon Bray shared his bullish outlook. I think he's a candidate for North Carolina. So over here, Shannon Bray shared his bullish outlook on Shib. Good morning, y'all. The sun isn't up yet, but Shib is hopefully the Shib army got some sleep last night because today is going crazy and amazing. So this is pretty much, he's a U.S. candidate, a U.S. Senate candidate. I would definitely like to see him win the Senate for North Carolina because, he's really big with crypto and he really wants like no taxes on crypto. He's really big on not taxing crypto. He's really big on, regulating it to a point where it's safe for people to use, but not taxing it to a point where no one wants to use it. So that's definitely what we need to see. Like there has to be some kind of regulations in crypto. We got to be completely honest here. We can't just have random exchanges making crypto exchanges and then doing rug pulls on everyone and running off with their money like how they did in South Africa. We can't just have random coins being made and then getting rug pulled and then everyone loses their money. We can't just have influencers, we can't just have celebrities promoting scam coins because they got paid $1 million to promote a scam coin, and then the scam coin does a rug pull on everyone and runs off with it. Like it can't happen like that. But anyways, this is just some of the things that is bad with crypto, but we still have good things that are going on with crypto. Anyways, Shiba Inu coin daily technical analysis, just going over the levels that we have to do for right now. So for the day ahead, we need to pass our 403 pivot and then our 456 resistance. We're already past that. So that's all good stuff right there. So over here, you can see our first support level, if we go down, is 370. And our pivot level, deciding whether or not we're going to support resistance, will be the 403 area. And our first major resistance that we already broke is 456, which shows that Shiba Inu is going to be on another bullish uptrend for this next leg up. Like I said, it always goes through these supply and demand areas for one day before they break out. And like here, supply and demand area for one day before it broke out. And now we're going to be trading between 44 and 47 for about another day before we actually break out. So that's what we're predicted to do. So anyways, this is pretty much all I got for the technicals. Let's go on to some other stuff, like big stuff going on with Shib. Now, this is all the fundamentals going on with Shib. So Shib has fundamentals and technicals going for its side. So this is really good news here. So anyways, yesterday we had 781,456 people inside Shib. Before that, we had 772,000 people inside Shib. And then the day before that was like 760,000. So every day we're almost getting 10,000 people every day inside Shib. So today we have 787,224 people in Shib. And when we hit that refresh button, 787,549. So within the last 10 minutes of us making this video, we've got almost 400, 500 people into Shiba Inu. So that's pretty big right there. And then over here, Robinhood to list Shiba Inu on November 1st, 2021, claims Coin Momo. So this is actually coming out by Watcher Guru, and this is what Coin Momo claims. So it could happen or it could not. But the real big thing here is that if Robinhood really wants their platform to benefit from the Shib rally, they will put Shiba Inu on their platform. I don't know when. You can't really give a day on it because that's just not plausible. But they're going to list Shiba Inu eventually. And our petition already has 322,572 people. So that's pretty big right there. So shout out to the Shib Army for making this happen. I mean, Robinhood has to list us eventually because it's just going to help them out. And as you can see, if you go on the Robinhood app, you can see that they're promoting wallets. So now they have a wait list for Robinhood wallets. So that's another big thing going on with Robinhood and Shiba Inu. So anyways, there's a new Twitter account for Shiba Swap. So this is the official Shiba Swap account. So this is their whole welcoming post. Definitely go check it out and follow them if you're into Shiba Swap. So it's Shiba Swap Dex, DEX. So that is pretty much what we have with Shib. So over here, you got the exclusive Shiba Swap updates will be all put onto this channel. And then as you can see, updates will be showcased on this channel, movable pair information, upcoming listings, Shiboshis, and so much more. So all things Shiba Swap will be on this Shiba Swap account. And also, we got more big stuff here. Shib takes the spotlight, but our ecosystem is more than just Shib. Exchanges are starting to see it too. We would love to see Leash and Bone being available everywhere. So now Leash and Bone available here on StealthX. We got Leash here on StealthX. I'm not too sure if Bone is too, But I'll definitely make sure to double check that. But yeah, we got leash here on StealthX. So big stuff going on left and right. People can win $100 of leash by October 28th. All you got to do is get on there and get some leash. So big stuff going on here with StealthX. Big stuff going on here with Shiba Inu, Shiba Swap. We are going crazy, literally. So yeah, this is all I got for you all. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling you all to dump your money into Shib or any of that. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a PayPal donation or a Cash App donation through the donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators so you can become a professional trader and make money off of this, then definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.